Ultra-mobile hotspot not working, it's often due to tethering blocks or incorrect APN settings. Ultra-mobile, like many MVNOs, sometimes restricts hotspot use to manage network traffic. These blocks can prevent your other devices from connecting to the internet through your phone's hotspot. While Ultra-mobile allows tethering on unlimited plans, speeds can be throttled after 22 gigabytes of high-speed data usage. Recent Android updates have also tightened carrier checks, potentially causing more frequent blocks, even if tethering is enabled on your plan. The most common fix for ultra-mobile hotspot issues is checking your APN settings. APN stands for Access Point Name, which is the gateway for your mobile data. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, Cellular Data Options, and APN. Set the APN to wholesale with no username or password required. For hotspot use, make sure this APN setting is active and selected. On iOS devices, go to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Data, Cellular Data Options, and APN. After changing settings, always restart your device to apply the changes. If problems persist, try the fast.tmobile.com APN as an alternative, but be aware it may trigger throttling. As a last resort, contact Ultramobile support at 1-888-777-0446 for personalized guidance.